In this video, you'll learn how to improve your rating on Wecasa. By following these steps, you can enhance your service quality and increase customer satisfaction, leading to better ratings and more bookings. To begin, focus on delivering excellent service during every appointment. Customers rate you on aspects such as punctuality, courtesy, quality of service, and proper equipment use. Ensuring that you arrive on time and greet clients warmly sets a positive tone for the session. Utilizing the right tools and techniques reflects professionalism and can significantly influence customer perception. Next, aim for that always result with every service you provide. Strive to exceed customer expectations, which will make them more likely to book you again in the future. Consider small, thoughtful gestures that can elevate the experience, such as offering additional tips or ensuring a clean workspace. These actions can leave a lasting impression. After that, take the time to learn from customer feedback. Wecasa carefully studies all feedback provided by clients, sharing it with professionals like you. This feedback is an invaluable resource for identifying areas where you can improve. Pay close attention to satisfaction surveys as they highlight specific strengths and weaknesses in your service. Maintaining high standards is crucial for success on the platform. Wecasa only keeps professionals with the highest ratings in its network. Since each session is rated, consistency in your service quality is essential. Regularly evaluate your performance and make adjustments as needed to ensure that you meet or exceed customer expectations consistently. Building trust with your clients is another key factor in improving your rating. Be someone customers can rely on, especially when it comes to handling their keys and personal spaces. Professional behavior and quality work not only lead to repeat bookings, but also encourage clients to recommend you to others. The better your ratings, the more likely you are to secure future bookings and grow your client base. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.